What's going on, people? It's BLKZEN Black Zen, and today's question is a pretty broad one, and that is, how do you make a song? This question is very vast, so I'm gonna simplify it. You need three elements, bare minimum, to make a song, assuming there are vocals involved. Those three elements are one, a melody. You need some kind of music in the background to produce a melody for you to vocalize over. Two, you need drums, something to help you capture that rhythm, to go with the melody and help paint this picture, something to create that canvas that you, the artist, will then paint upon. Three, vocals. You need lead vocals, maybe some background vocal. Lead vocals meaning vocals that are in the front, in the forefront. Imagine a stage, right? The music in the background is your set with the set design. That is the stage. You as the actor are the artist. Your outfit, your expression, everything. That's all your diction, your tone, your voice, your breathiness, the emotion you put in the music. Imagine it like a theatrical composition. With those three elements of music, drums, and vocals, you can make a song, bare minimum. And when you understand the rules of making music, you can deviate. A lot of times, you don't really need drums in your music. Sometimes you can make a song with no melody and then use the voice to create the quote-unquote melody opposed to having the machine do it for you. There are many ways to go about it. There's no right way, there's no wrong way. You can make a song with just straight vocals. It's about what you want to accomplish. But typically speaking, songs are composed of those three things.